Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Torik. I'm from 6 Ibnu Khaldun class and I'm from SDIT Al Furqan Palembang. Today, all the judge I respected and everyone I love, today I would like to tell you the story of an ant's repayment. Okay, let's get into the story. Once upon a time, there was an ant playing nearby the river. And accidentally, he lost his balance and fell into the river. Oh, help me! Help me! But he screamed as loud as he can, but no one wants to help him. And in a big tree, there was a dove hearing his scream. Calm down, Ant, calm down. Here, catch this leaf. Yeah, the dove threw the leaf into the river. The ant catch the leaf. Yeah, and the ant stepped aside safely. The ant thanked the dove. Thank you, dove. I may be there in the fast-flowing river. You're welcome. And the next day, the ant saw a hunter aiming the gun at the dove. Oh no! That dove that saved my life yesterday is in danger. I need to stop the hunter. The ant finding an idea to stop the hunter. And finally, the ant bit the hunter's leg, causing him pain and shot the wrong target. The dove fly away after he heard the sound of the gun. And finally, the dove thanked the ant. Thank you, Ant. I might be there shot by the hunter. You're welcome. And they become friends forever. All the judge and everyone. The moral from this story is, one good deed deserves another. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy my story. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.